Hey guys, how's it going? It's Stacy Lee here. Just checking in. We're starting on week 4. I've gotten a few questions so far on learning contracts, and I am answering them individually as we go. I guess I had a question for everybody: how we feel about the video discussion session. I reviewed the survey results that you all took, and it's pretty much all over the place. I think the one night we could potentially meet on a Monday night, it was the most popular, and it was only 3 people. So I didn't know if some of you were waiting for the video session and not doing written, because I've noticed last week and this week some of you didn't do the written discussion, which is fine. You don't have to do it every week. You have to do 5 by the end of the semester. So I didn't know if people were waiting to do the video, if you were feeling passionate about wanting to do the live video chat, or if you were okay with just doing the written. So if you guys could shoot me some emails and let me know if anybody, feels one way or the other about it, that'd be great. Learning contracts are due Sunday, so I got one already. And kudos to you. You know who you are. It was a good learning contract. It looked really good. So I'm confident that all of them are going to look really, really good. I haven't had very many questions on them. So I'm anticipating great learning contracts. And guys, I'm here if you need me. So if there's any questions, don't hesitate. Don't be shy. Definitely reach out to me. Alrighty. I'll talk to you all soon.